How to connect a single phase distribution board. Let's assume you are working in a client house to connect a distribution board, a single phase distribution board. This is an example of a single phase distribution board. We have a three-phase distribution board. We have a single phase distribution board. Now, the first thing you need to check is to check the this breaker. This is the main breaker that is serving as power, that is switching off all these breakers. This main breaker is the one controlling all these breakers. Now, what you need to do is that the first thing you need to do is to check the neutral leg on the changeover. Now, if you check this main breaker, you can see this black cable coming from this point, and you can see this iron, this copper iron coming from the other part of this main breaker. This is another iron breaker. Now, what you need to do is, once you know your neutral, this is the neutral line, this is the lifeline. The lifeline will be the one to supply all these remaining breakers. The lifeline will be the one to supply all these remaining breakers. Now, what you need to do, you have already know your lifeline, and you have already know your neutral line. Your neutral line will be the one to connect. Your neutral line will be the one to connect to this point here. You can see that there is a base here in between here that is connecting, that does not allow this point to touch this aluminum rail at the back here. Now, what you need to do is that the life of your cable, this is the life of the cable. The life of your cable that is coming from either your changeover or that is coming from your changeover. Okay, let me put it that way. That is coming from your changeover. We go straight to the line, the lifeline that is supplying all these breakers. Now, your neutral, which is the second cable, will be the one to enter this place to supply this black cable, this black one that is supplying all this neutral line. Now, all the loads, your neutral line, all the black cable from your load, maybe your socket from your TV, your socket from your from your bulbs, for your microwave, for your any need, from all your loads, the neutral line will be the one to connect to this part. It will be the one to connect to this part. If you can see it clearly, you can see that there is cable connected together there. Now, your live cable from your load will now be the one to be distributed in these breakers. We have 10 amps here. We have this C10 means 10 amps. We have 16 amps, 20 amps there. We have 25, 32, 32 as well. Then you check which of the heavy load you have. If you have microwave, if you have hot plate, you are going to put it either for this 13 amps or 25 amps. Now, all the other loads, maybe your TV, your socket for your fan, will be distributed to the remaining breakers. You can see the breakers, the cables are connected to the breakers one after the other. They are connected, the lifeline are connected to the breakers one after the other. Now, part is your earthing part. That is, if there is leakage, this is where the earthing is supposed to be connected. But in this video, I don't know why they don't connect earthing to it. Your main breaker here is the one now controlling all this. If you switch off this main breaker, all the other loads will be switched off. You can see everything has been turned off. If you turn it back on, everything has come back on. So this is how to connect your single phase distribution board. This is a single phase distribution board. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.